This is DJI Flip FLY MORE, and today I'll show how you can check the serial number on this drone. So in the beginning, you will need to open the camera view on your remote controller, either on your remote controller or inside the DJI Fly app. Next, launch settings by tapping at the three dots you'll find to your top right, and here enter the About section. Scroll it down, look for the SN section, or serial number, and unfold it by tapping on the arrow. And here you'll find the currently inserted battery serial number, the aircraft serial number, the flight controller serial number, the remote controller serial number, and the camera serial number as well. And well, should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.